This is how you're going to multiply radicals. So I have here square root of 5 times square root of 2. Simply, you're just going to multiply the numbers inside the radical sign, and we call it the radicands. So we are going to write single radical sign, then 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. Then check if you can simplify this. But this is already in simplest form. So this is the final answer, square root of 10. Now here, multiply first the numbers outside. So 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. And then the radicands. So 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. So what is now square root of 9? That is 3. So you can bring that outside the radical sign. So 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Here, 5 times 4, that is equal to 20. And then, the radicand, if you're going to multiply this, 15 times 10, that is 150. It's bigger number. Now, the technique there is, so you're not going to simplify or have hard time simplifying it, just write it as 15 times 10. Don't multiply, okay? Because when you are simplifying, you are going to break it down anyway. So 20 and then 15 can be 3 times 5. And then 2 times 5. And we have here 5 and 5. That makes a perfect square. 5 times 5, 25. So you can bring that outside the radical sign. So 20, 5 times 5, 25. And that is square root of 25 is 5. So bring that outside. So what you have inside is 3 times 2. And that is equal to 6. So 20 times 5 is equal to 100 square root of 6. 6 is already in simplest form. So the final answer is 100 times square root of 6. Or 100 square root of 6.